So at this time you're doing a lot of good stuff, but then this is when you started to link up with Sean Nizzle. How do you guys connect? 'Cause this is where a whole different level happens in your career.
Well, so now Sean used to come mixing lab studio one day. As I look at you, and I try play and read them for everybody. Everybody that listen to them. I mean, alone give my time and give my listening here. You see me, I say? I saw. Then him start linking now. I'm start record for a man. Start give my vibes and a strength. Till they end up where? They end up. Record Rum Red Bull for him. Because the day they just got the studio. And lie down my voice in boot. And I say, Sean, I not voice the most song unless never hit song, you know. But I just write the verse, them alone, I didn't write, I never write the full hook. I'll be having that hook is, I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. I can't pass this up. I started the day with that flask cranberry with ice in a glass that I like, can't find me last. Buy me one liquor cause bustle at the boss. Drink to jump that tree and dust. After the flask, then we move to the quad. Tell the bartender the bill we start. Coconut rum me use, wash off me heart. If you hide and drink, that must get caught. Rum and Red Bull, so me have rum. Beenie when it done vice, I'm okay. They come me clean every day. I say, I say, which song you have? What famous song you have on the radio? And then play the verse and all the, my verses. I'm drinking rum and Red Bull. I couldn't pass this up. I Beenie Man said, Hennessy make my heart full. Them want me get craftful, like them want dance, I get awful. And I'm a rum and Red Bull. See that Sean is say, all right, Beenie, show him over sing it. And Beenie go nice to and I say, so you have to sing it from rum and Red Bull. Sean is say, yo, maybe try it with your voice and Beenie Man voice and hear it so. And I was like, I told you before my birthday. And Beenie Man say, yo, Sean said, this is all come like a birthday gift. And I say, hey, whatsoever. Bam, and then play masterpiece. The Fambo, what do you think about it? I say, a mad thing, you know. Gone, I leave. Gone. So G did that as well too.
Okay, so it was G, yourself, and Beenie Man all in the studio at that same time there?
Yeah, I remember saying vibes on the rhythm, you know. So I got riffing, so I got riffing. But even when Mr. G, Mr. G said, you want to go up on the rhythm, so you want to go, if you can't get a verse by the song, so Beenie, I tell him, say, yo, it's a two-seater bike, it's a bike. So somebody can hold on it, nobody else can hold on this song. I can't see cheese for the power one bike. You see what I said? Yeah, man, so, and release, boy, I mean, I tell you, murder, shot.
When did you know this song started to really bubble? Because this took your career to a whole new stratosphere right now.
No, fair fight that, man. Fair fight that. It up with them start get mad. Up with them they get mad. Yes, that go on. And tomorrow, we wake up tomorrow, it plays somewhere, Sean, it just hot. It just hot. Then the song there, no easy to find.
So you think it was just a moment? It was just one of those moments where you guys found that song.
Yeah, you don't know what drive you to that moment there. But me, I try to tell you something. I love to go back this one right now.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Yeah.
Where did you guys go and perform that song?
We got no place now. I mean, man, perform with America, perform with Canada, perform with Europe, perform with Jamaica. You know, but he do more performing more than me. But so really, every performance I've really got it. So my time I saw some foreign place and really got to go there. You understand? So you might do this song and me I do this song. But if I catch a tour, if every tour with there, one place to record it for vice song and murder. So sometimes a man just take him part and come to me and say, oh, more the dog, me have Beenie Man part already. I'm killing sound in Dancehall. And I started here with that clash in a blood, so whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we get to buy 2 verse and then they send it to him. So, back and forth. You know, like a alia. Back and forth.
Because I know even in that video, it's you, Cartel, Beenie Man, and a couple of you guys well in that video there.
Yeah, Cartel in that video. Cartel said, "No, come in unless we drink vibes rum." When I rang him, drink the vibes rum. I would need vibes card. We didn't need vibes card. And we said, "Oh, you know, it's all right." That's all. And when that alone, I could not get him. We say, "You know, a real boss, big and great." So, if you get him, we say, "Oh, a murder."
Crazy there. Do you remember the biggest performance you guys performed that song?
Like Europe Hot 97 show. What population is it, man? What population?
Mm-hmm. And this is a song that brought you to the Billboard.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. Crazy. What number did you get on the Billboard?
That's what I'm coming like. I longest song me ever take for out though.
Mm-hmm.
What say do I out that and come by out do that. Y'all them come on me yard, you see there? Out do that. Then this big song, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We'll find our next song bigger than it. It don't look like it possible, but we don't know how possibilities not them time. Right? Mm-hmm. And it's a song, all dumb people know it's a song. Yeah, all dumb people are of it. Me and dumb are singing. That's what I'm saying. This. All dumb man are singing. Blind people are dancing. So I don't know how to do the song. So, God bring me to one point where my song just stop right there. So just the song. Mm-hmm. Right now, people are going to call me Mr. Ayaya, what I'm Mr. Junkin Dance. Well, I say, what Mr. Rum Red Bull?
Crazy.
I just want other song different from the song.
Mm-hmm. But another song that you guys had produced that was another big one was Never Sober.
Yeah, Never Sober. We do that for Sean Nizzle. And that I follow up with Rum Red Bull. I'm never sober. Ain't gonna live until the party's over. I spin Rum Red Bull and it ain't no soda. So I'm gonna need a chauffeur. To rock pineapple juice. Yeah, murder, man. I find a song bigger than Rum Red Bull right now, man. No matter which song they have around the place. Mm-hmm. No matter which, I never find a song big like that again.
Another big one you had with Blood Clot song. That one there came out a little bit after, and then you actually put out, was the remix or it was one song that you had put out?
Blood Clot song with a remix. And that was Evolve album that I record for Blaze Entertainment for Robert name Styles. Mm-hmm. So even when Blaze Entertainment and him I did the whole album for the whole album.
Evolve.
The album name Evolve. So Blood Clot song was just the second single. And it shot, the video shot, and everything shot. So you can look him up anytime. I Am Style Music. He's also an artist and a recording artist and a producer and entrepreneur, yeah. But after that, he had stopped managing and booking for Future Fambo. Because I guess, he had other, because he had his own career now. Mm-hmm. That he had to be furnishing, so he couldn't really pay attention to Future Fambo. I Am Styles Music, so anybody go pick themselves first. You understand?
Mm-hmm. And how did you guys come up with the remix with Sean Paul, DeMarco, and Beenie Man now?
Well, Sean Paul, I'm a friend for a long time. I remember saying me and him have wedding a crash and them stuff there, right? Mm-hmm. And Beenie Man, I'm a friend. So I just get Beenie Man's company to I get why? Brr, brr, brr. You get Beenie Man forward on the remix. Mm-hmm. And Sean Paul forward on the remix. And DeMarco, I used to do the document show for DeMarco. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So DeMarco go on it. And DeMarco and Style is cool. So it was good, It's a good vibes. Mm-hmm. You never actually get the video still, but Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.